Hey folks, Adam here. We're looking at this. It's from Dreame. It's the X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with auto emptying. This thing has self-cleaning mops that stay so nice and perfect so you're not dragging bacteria and dirt around your house. It has 20,000 PA of suction, obstacle avoidance, and a 360 navigation system that keeps it moving perfectly. Now, this has a deep edge clean, an edge deep cleaning, and a detangling brush that keeps those hair and everything in between from getting stuck in the system. So, folks, we've tested a lot of robot vacuums. This one is an absolute winner from a premier brand. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. Now, folks, one of the things I like so much about this is that it uses retractable legs to conquer things like thresholds and doors, so it can go over them without a problem. It just lifts up, goes over the edge, and yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. It has shock absorbers to minimize impact and keeps a nice, quiet movement to where you never have to worry about a loud robot vacuum and mop. I know that's been a big selling point, particularly for my folks who live on the first floor. The second floor people with their robot vacuum has always been so loud it keeps them up at night. But when you have a high-end, high-performance robot vacuum that has a shock-absorbing system, this is going to make it smooth and quiet, and you never have to worry about getting stuck on those edges. And that matters a lot to me. Now, it also cleans under sofas with the VersaLift navigation, the X50, the Ultra height. It'll go down to 3.5 inches, allowing it to navigate under furniture easily. Has the AI camera and the LED guidance for tight spots and precise navigation. And compared to any robot vacuum that we've had a chance to use, this has some of the best obstacle avoidance. So if you're looking to avoid those obstacles, this is the one for you. I'll also note that in our test, we put down a lot of wig hair and a lot of hair, and we had no problem just sucking that right up. In fact, the only problem we had is that it sucked it up so quickly, we almost didn't get it on camera. So this just does a great job of sucking that in and then not getting tangled, because it's got a great system here with dual rollers and an anti-hair design that kind of cuts the hair to make sure it doesn't get tangled into the system. It also attacks dust and has ultra quiet suction with up to 20,000 PA. The Vormax suction is powered by a 6th generation turbo force motor. The X50 delivers a large pickup, including kitty litter, crumbs, and a whole lot more. Pair the standout suction with the ultra quiet design and the dynamic design. This thing is really ahead of the competition. Now, of course, we love the extending mops and brush that goes ahead and gets close against edges. It reaches corners, it gets low spaces under furniture, and it's going to get a lot of spots that your other vacuums miss. Big suction area, dual rollers here, and then we've got these two mops circling and putting all the dirt away, cleaning it up, and then self-cleaning. This is just designed for peak performance. Just everything about this guy makes it a superior robot vacuum cleaner that I love, and I know you're going to love as well. And operating at 14.4 volts, this thing does not lack power. It has a perfect design with 5 tailored modes to make sure that your carpets are clean, to make sure that your wood floors and your tile and everything in between is absolutely spotless and protected. Now, folks, one thing I love is that this company specializes in R&D of smart home appliances to make intelligent and healthy lifestyles easily accessible to global consumers. They've pioneered a series of innovative advancements, including high-speed motors and multi-cone cyclone separation technology. These guys are a great brand. I love they've got practically a 0 defect rate, and the batteries that they put into this not only charge fast, but they last much longer than the competition. That means more time cleaning, less time charging. They've just done a great job of it from top to bottom, stem to stern. It's not only a good looking device, but yeah, it's using the latest AI action to make sure it's mapping out your floors and it allows you to get the exact spot that you want cleaned. Now, folks, I love that Boost Mode 2.0 to really get things cleaner than ever before. The Pet Zone Cleaning Customization 2.0 is able to clean around those pet zones as well as dynamic spot cleaning, which comes in really handy because how many times do you just have one little spot that's really dirty? It doesn't need to do the whole house. And of course, the Pet Finding Mode will help you identify your pets. Boy, they've just done a great job here. And again, with that 20,000 PA of suction, the mops that will literally lift up off the floor to make sure that they're not getting your carpets wet. And yeah, they've just done a great job with a design that I love. This is a premium product from a premium brand that we've all been very happy with from start to finish. So yeah, folks, we've been using it for a while now, and there's nothing I don't like about it. Setup was easy. Mapping was automatic. It's very user-friendly for anyone, even the tech challenged. And whether your house is tiled, smooth floors, wood floors, carpet, or some kind of mix with rugs, this is a perfect opportunity for you to pick up something that does it all. Folks, we rarely recommend a robot vacuum and mop at this level, but Dreame has done it time and time again, and they are exceptional. They're a superior brand, and I couldn't recommend them more. And folks, the monitoring options on this are truly fantastic as well. So I think I understate how important it is to use this as a security camera. And of course, be able to find your pets and monitor your pets is pretty cool as well. And folks, I absolutely love the camera monitoring aspect to this. So just a very fun device. It says mark your point on the map. It'll tell you that it's camera monitoring, so there's no secrets. And look at that, I can literally control this. I can look around. I can see what's going on. It's currently in my bathroom. We can drive it around. How cool is that? And this is perfect if you were to, you take a picture or video. And this is perfect if you want to look for your pets, want to monitor your house or anything in between. You even have that capture pet pictures mode. So it will capture pictures of your pet. You can turn on and off the light. Just a lot of options here. Save the images, etc. So many different things. I'm not going to be able to show you everything this does, but holy cow, this is really, really smart and convenient. And folks, I know you don't want to see every little part of the app, but the app is so intuitive. You can see we can zoom in, see exactly where our device is. We can create different areas. We can return to base station or start cleaning where it is. We can go to that camera. There's just so much that you can do here, the Clean Genius technology. You can customize intelligent recommended zones. Maybe you know you need to clean the kitchen a little extra, and you can even freehand some of that. You can vacuum and mop or mop after vacuuming. Do a deep cleaning if you want, just switching a button. Just a very smart design. And yeah, look at all this. You can turn it on quiet mode, turbo mode, standard, max. You can change the wetness, the mopping frequency, the standard or quick routing. Just a very cool design here. On top of that, if you look closely, you can see how much battery is remaining. And yeah, you can change all of this up, a 2D or a 3D design on your map. Very cool, look at that. So it's just done a great job allowing us to control this device easily and conveniently. There's so much you can do here. You can create some no-go zones, furniture, floor modeling, cleaning sequences, wall editing, low-lying areas and carpets, all at a push of a button. I've never seen an app quite this easy to use and intuitive. So yeah, folks, if you're looking for the best robot vacuum and mop that I've seen this year, if you're looking for something that charges quickly, empties out to where you're not always emptying it yourself, has great 360 navigation, powered by AI, a tremendous amount of suction, some of the most powerful and fastest recharging batteries in the land, something with a ton of suction, and is perfect with self-cleaning mop heads, well, folks, this is the answer for you. There's nothing I can say bad about this robot vacuum. It's getting up hair, it's getting up dust, it's getting up dirt and debris. It's getting to the edges like nothing I've seen before. And yeah, this is able to pick up even large items like kitty litter, like coffee, like everything in between. This is absolutely premium and elite. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. A tremendous brand that I couldn't recommend more. What are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching and adios, amigos.